Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down a clean, reliable, and high win rate Heikin Ashi 1 minute scalping strategy. Okay, and this strategy is built for fast decisions and and you know smooth entries. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by noisy price action on the 1 minute chart, then Heikin Ashi candles might be the solution. These are not standard candlesticks. They are calculated differently to filter out market noise and show clearer momentum. And that's why, we're going to be looking at this strategy. So let's start with why Heikin Ashi works so well on low time frames. Okay, so let's just look for the Heikin Ashi, right? The Heikin Ashi candles, all right. So you can see this is how the Heikin Ashi candles look like. Okay, let's just increase this. So since this is going to be our focus, right? So let's just give this more priority. Let's give it more space. Okay, but you can still be looking up for reference. You can be looking at the traditional candlesticks for reference. You can see the differences, right? So unlike traditional candlesticks, the Heikin Ashi averages price to create smoother trends. That means fewer fake outs and more visual clarity when momentum is strong or weak. When the candles are full-bodied and all the same color, momentum is likely in play. When you see small bodies with wicks on both ends, the market is consolidating or reversing. Now, here's how to set up this scalping strategy. Your chart time frame is 1 minute. Your candle type is Heikin Ashi, which we have here. And then your indicators, we're going to be using let's just hide this for now. All right. So we're going to be using the 20 period EMA. All right. We're going to be using the 20 period EMA. Okay. So I am just going to change, I'm going to make the EMA thicker. Right, just going to make it thicker, and I'm going to change the inputs to 20. So this is the 20 period EMA. All right, so now we're going to be using the 20 period EMA. Then you can also decide to use RSI. You can actually decide to use RSI as well. And then I'm also going to be adding the volumes indicator. All right, I'm also going to be adding the volumes indicator. Okay. Okay. Well, this volumes is so long. All right, let's just shift this up a bit. Just gonna reset this. Okay, you know what? Let's just hide the volume for now. Let's hide the volume for now. Now, for our entry rules, you have to wait for price to cross above or below the 20 EMA. All right, price has to cross above the 20 EMA, then you watch for 3 consecutive Heikin Ashi candles of the same color. So green candles above EMA is equal to buy setup. Then when you have red candles below the EMA, you should be looking for sell setups. All right, looking for sell setups in that case. Then if you are using RSI, you can watch out for the RSI to be above the 50 level and rising for a buy trade, or should be the RSI should be below the 50 level and falling for a sell trade. This gives you structure, momentum, and confirmation. Then you can place your entry on the open of the next candle. So after you have gotten your confirmation and your 3 consecutive, Heikin Ashi candles, you can place your entry on the open of the next candle after confirmation. Then for your exit rules, you are in a 1-minute trade, so exit should be tight and defined. You exit when opposite candle color appears with small body. All right, or you can exit at a fixed target, maybe based on ATR or fixed pip count. Your stop loss, just below or above the last structure point or candle wick. All right, so if you're in a buy trade, your stop loss can be below the swing low, or below a major candlestick pattern and all of that. If you're in a sell trade, above swing high or major candlestick pattern. So this keeps your risk small and reward consistent. Okay, now it's important to avoid entering trades during low volume or consolidation periods. Also, do not trade right before news events. All right, don't trade before news events. Also, it's important to backtest this strategy during London and New York sessions for best volatility. All right. Okay, this strategy is a high win rate scalping strategy because it waits for structure. All right, it waits for structure, filters noise with Heikin Ashi, and it confirms with indicators. Right, it is fast but controlled. It's fast but controlled, and it's perfect for focused scalpers. Okay, so if you learned something new or you want to see this strategy in a live session, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Drop a comment below if you want the template or full trading plan sent to you. In the meantime, thank you for watching and stay sharp, stay disciplined. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.